This Legacy Lab episode examines one of the central theoretical debates in sociology, functionalism, represented by Émile Durkheim and Talcott Parsons, versus conflict theory, represented by Karl Marx. These perspectives offer fundamentally different explanations of how society operates and why inequality exists. Durkheim and Parsons view society as an integrated system composed of interdependent institutions such as education, family, religion, and law. Each institution performs functions that contribute to social stability and cohesion. From this perspective, social order is maintained through shared values, norms, and collective agreement. Even social problems, such as crime, are seen as functional because they reinforce moral boundaries and promote social solidarity. Marx, in contrast, argues that society is structured by unequal power, relations rooted in economic class, rather than harmony. He emphasizes conflict between those who control the means of production and those who sell their labor. He also says institutions do not primarily serve social stability, but instead reproduce class inequality and legitimize domination. Consider education as an example. Functionalists argue that schools transmit knowledge, social skills, and shared cultural values, preparing individuals for participation in society. Marxist theory, however, interprets education as a mechanism that reproduces class structure by rewarding conformity, promoting meritocratic ideology, and preparing students for unequal positions in the labor market. In the case of law and crime, functionalists suggest that legal systems maintain social order and reflect collective morality. Marx contends that laws often protect the interests of the ruling class and that patterns of criminalization reflect structural inequality rather than individual deviance alone. The contrast between these theories highlights two competing visions of society. One, emphasizing integration and stability. The other, emphasizing power, inequality, and struggle. Together, they form a foundational debate in sociological thought and demonstrate how the same social institutions can be interpreted in profoundly different ways depending on theoretical perspective. Subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.